Hey guys, I wanted to make a follow-up video for my last video about the CalHFA training that we attended last week. This video is to go over how to use the calculator, the mortgage calculator on their website. So it's super simple and I'm going to guide you through it, so just follow along. Okay, so now you guys are here in my computer, so I'm going to take you to the website. You go up to your search bar and type in calhfa.ca.gov. This will take you to the CalHFA website. This website has a ton of information and a ton of tools, but I'm going to be showing you guys two of the calculators that I think are really useful tools. So the first one that I'll show you is home buyer. So you'll see here, to see if you're eligible as a home buyer. So you'll see here under home buyers, click am I eligible? And then you're going to go down to visit our calculator section. Go ahead and click on that. So there's two options here. Am I eligible to apply? And the CalHFA Mortgage Payoff Calculator. So this top one would be for you if you've never had a mortgage yet and you want to see if you're eligible. That's the one we're going to go through right now. The other one is if you already have a CalHFA mortgage and you want to put in your terms, and it will show you how much more you owe. So we'll go here. And I'm going to pretend for the sake of this that I'm a first-time home buyer. I make around $50,000 a year. So have I owned a home? Oops, no. Estimated total annual income. This is pre-tax. So I'm going to put $50,000. What county will I be buying? Just for the sake of this, I'll put Riverside. Are you a service member, veteran, or surviving spouse? We'll just say no, and then no, we don't work in a public school. And submit request. And then down here, it shows you all the programs that you could possibly qualify for. Remember, there are other requirements, like your 640 credit score, 2 years of consistent income, but these are just the basic programs that you would be able to get. Okay, so once you're back home, you'll scroll back down, and this time you're going to click on Lender/Real Estate Agent. And then you'll click here, Loan Scenario Calculator. So this one's really cool because you can actually put in more specific terms and find out, what your loan terms might actually be. First-time home buyer, yes. County, we'll go ahead and put Riverside again. Purchase price, we'll go ahead and say $350,000. It's definitely doable for first-time home buyers in Riverside. Ryan's in the back cooking dinner. Don't mind him. All right, credit score, let's just say 700. It does need to be over a 640, but the better your credit score, the better interest rate you'll get. Property type, single family, and then closing costs. You want to do about 2% to calculate closing costs. So that's $14,400. Okay, so these are optional fields. Let me just explain a little bit about what they are. So seller concessions. When you write an offer on a home, you can ask the seller to help you with closing costs. You can say, okay, I'm giving you a full price offer, but I'm asking $5,000 for closing costs. And a lot of times that will get accepted. The open house that we just did over the weekend got an offer that was just like that, full price, and $5,000 from the seller towards their closing costs. So I'm going to go ahead and put in $5,000 just so we can see how that affects it. This would be gifts, grants, or money that you already have. And then if you're getting more financing that's not through CalHFA, like you're getting 2 loans, that would go here. And let's go ahead and go down. Okay, select loan program. So because we're first time, we only want to do 3.5% down. We'll do an FHA loan. I'm going to go ahead and click on CalHFA FHA. But let's say that you wanted to add on the ZIP to help you with that closing cost. So we'll go ahead and put in that you did the 3% ZIP because that's the more common. And then if you wanted to add on one of the extra programs like My Home, which is down payment assistance, you could add that as well. And we'll just go ahead and do that. And then for interest rates, you just click here, find current rates. And you scroll down and you find your loan. So we did the CalHFA, where is it? CalHFA FHA, which is 3.75. And so we'll go ahead and put that one in there. The reason we don't put the My Home is because that interest rate is only for that tiny part of the loan. So if you borrowed $5,000 from My Home Assistance, and you only pay this interest rate, 3.25% on that $5,000. This interest rate up here is your actual interest rate for the entire loan. So we'll go ahead and put that in, 3.75. We already have FHA there, and you press submit. Go down to your results. Okay, so excuse me. Scenario 1, because you can add up to 3 scenarios, I believe, so that you can compare how they change your loan. You can see here your total loan amount. What you would get for down payment assistance is $12,250. Your zip loan amount, which goes towards your closing costs. And because remember, the My Home you can split between closing costs and down payment, but zip can only go towards closing costs. And then you keep going down here, and you can see borrow estimated contribution. You would only have to put 63 cents out of pocket. 63 cents. That's crazy. Get into your home. Here's your monthly payment. So the actual mortgage is $1,591, but you have to remember you have property taxes, insurance, and you will have the private insurance premium because of the FHA loan. So you can see here your total monthly payment would be $2,282.87. So that might seem high to some, but think about it. If you're already paying rent, most people in Riverside are paying over $2,000 in rent, especially for 3+ bedrooms, which you could find for $350,000. So it's something to consider. Let me switch back out of my computer here. Okay, so I hope that helped you. I would highly suggest going on there, playing around with it. I'm going to link the calculator in the video below, but that's only for YouTube. So if you're watching this on any other platform, you'll just go to calhfa.ca.gov, and then you'll go down to either home owner or lender real estate agent. Lender real estate agent is where you'll find that calculator that was the last one, where you can play around with the different rates and the different loan types, and you can see what your mortgage might be. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to walk you through it. I can share my screen with you, and we can go over it together if you'd like. So that's an option. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like the video, share it, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time.